If you're dropshipping currently, or you're looking to start a dropshipping business, then I'm going to teach you how to save a lot of money testing products. My name is Andrew, and I run Web Trends Weekly. We're a dropshipping product research newsletter, but we're more than that, because every week we provide our subscribers with not just a product, but we give them sales data. We give them product sourcing through AliExpress and CJ Dropshipping if available. We give them ready-to-use Facebook video ads, product GIFs, and video thumbnails. We give interest targeting, ad copy, both long and short variations, the CTA button, headline variations, description variations for your ads, and we even give product page copy for your store as well. And we don't just do that for one product, we do it for multiple products every week. A lot of the time, a large amount of the cost in testing products will be from outsourcing things, like going to a website like Fiverr or Upwork and hiring a contractor to do things like creating video ads, writing ad copy, writing product page copy, or even product research itself. It can run you up to over $100 just for a single product to get it Facebook ad ready, to the point where you actually start spending money on ads. Now, Web Trends Weekly is only $19.99 a month, and we do all of that for you, for every product, every week. So how am I able to run this business so cheap then? The reality of it is, it takes a pretty big loss every month. But I want this to exist because this is something that I wish I had when I first started dropshipping as well. I think more people should take that leap into entrepreneurship. So that's what I created this for, to make it much more streamlined, to make it much more straightforward, and to greatly lower the cost to get a product to market, to get it to Facebook ad stage. The products that we give you every week, they're already Facebook ad ready. So what you would do is you would scroll our newsletter, you would find a product that you like, you would go to the product source, you would import it to Overlow in your Shopify store. From there, you would go into your store section, you would take the product page copy that we give you, swap out some things that are changeable, like product name, for example. You want to swap that out with whatever product name you decide to go with. The insert GIF centered here, you would take one of the GIFs that we provide you with here, or you can actually make your own GIF on like a site like Giphy, because we provide you the raw video to use as well, so you can create your own GIFs using that. And you would insert a GIF here, you would insert a GIF here, and it's just going to make the product page look a lot cleaner. And then once the product's up on the store, you simply go to Facebook ads, you create a Facebook page to go with the product. You take this ad text, the ad copy primary text, long or short. These are two different creatives. You can try out both of them. You could try out some of these headline variations, the description variations. You would then use this interest targeting to create an ABO or a CBO that's interest based. So you would do one ad set per interest group here. And then what you would do is you would take the money that you're saving and then use that money and invest it in an ad budget instead. So you could go directly to Facebook ads with $100 CBO, because you're not paying $100 to get this product Facebook ready, because it already is. If you're interested in subscribing, head over to webtrendsweekly.com, click subscribe, and you'll be able to sign up for our monthly or yearly plan. In the yearly plan is about $12.50 per month. That's roughly what that equates to. So that's actually $1 per product if you get at least 12 products per month. And we try to send out at least 16. But if you're getting even 12 products per month, it's still almost $1 per product, which is crazy. As always, if there's any suggestions, please leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching.